Hey there, tech fans. Today I have the new Orei OPAV-8KAM-100 8K HDMI 2.1 armored AOC cable. This product was designed to make it incredibly easy for you to extend the connection between your HDMI media device and your display up to 30 meters by simply plugging it in. The cable is also armored, which means it has internal protections to minimize outside interference from causing any issues with the sensitive video distribution through the cable. The product is also an AOC cable, which means inside these hoods there are conversion chips that will convert an HDMI signal into an optical signal for transmission across the cable, and then convert that optical signal back into an HDMI signal for display in your monitor. The unit fully supports 8K ultra high definition media content at up to 60 frames per second, and it's both HDMI 2.1 as well as HDCP 2.2 compliant, which means it's plug and play compatible with all of your modern media equipment. It also requires no external power. It's a simple plug and play device. Now, as part of this overview, I'd like to start with a quick unboxing first, just to show you what comes with the product, and then I'll take a closer look at the cable, and I'll explain how it works and point out some of the special features, and then I'll come back one more time and remind you of why this cable is different than other products you may be considering. So let's get started with the unboxing. There's not a lot inside the box. When you open it up, you'll find the cable. Again, 100 feet, heavy-duty, flexible cable with internal shielding. And you'll understand pretty quickly that all you have to do is plug this into your media device, run the cable to your destination, and plug it into your monitor, and it just starts transmitting video. Now, if you stay tuned next, I'll take a closer look at the cable, and then I'll come back and point out some of those special features. This cable is 30 meters in length, which provides plenty of distance between your media device and your display. It's also heavy duty yet still flexible and features an armored interior, which helps to minimize outside interference from causing any issues with the optical signals being passed along the cable. On the two hoods you'll find labels. One is labeled source, the other is labeled display, and these have a personality because of the conversion chips inside. The source needs to be plugged into your media device, and the one labeled display plugs into your display. They won't work if you reverse these. And the way the cable works is inside this hood, there's a high-tech conversion chip that converts HDMI signals into an optical signal that's sent across the cable, and then on the other end, that optical signal is converted back into an HDMI signal for display in your monitor. It's a pretty sophisticated system that doesn't require any external power and is really plug and play simple. I hope that closer look was helpful. Now, here are a few really important things to keep in mind when you're comparing the Orei OPAV-8KAM-100 8K HDMI 2.1 AOC armored cable with other solutions you may be considering. So extending an HDMI connection is a tricky business because you're limited on the cable length for most transmissions to 3 meters. And if you're transferring high definition content, that can be even shorter. So to find a cable like this that directly transfers 8K video at 60 frames per second up to 30 meters away is a pretty special thing. Most HDMI extension kits include a transmitter and a receiver and some connecting cable between them, and they can be a little clumsy to deploy. With this one, it's a plug-and-play solution that can transfer 8K media content at up to 60 frames per second. It's also both HDMI 2.1 and HDCP 2.2 compliant, which means it's plug-and-play compatible with a wide range of modern media equipment and also a wide range of different file types. It doesn't require any external power, and honestly, if you didn't know any better, you'd assume it was a standard HDMI cable, but it's up to 30 meters long, so pretty impressive product in a lot of ways. Anyway, I hope you found this quick review helpful. I like the cable an awful lot. I've used it to extend HDMI media content from my game up to my monitor, which is about 40 feet away, and it just works great. So thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, as always, stay nerdy.